I'm your boy King Richard, aka the God of Rap from Creative Minds Entertainment. That's KME. If you don't know, I swear you know right now. One thing that has always bothered me was the law being applied differently based on color. We have too much historical evidence to ignore and act like that's not been true. Okay, we know our history in America. A lot of it is hidden, and that's the way it is, and hopefully it'll be uncovered in due time. However, I bring this up because there's a homeboy of mine. He just told me this quick story, right? I'm going to lay it on you. He said that he had trouble moving from one apartment to another. The apartment he was living in was like $7-something a month. And the one he was trying to move in was like $1,000, I think, a month or something close to that, right? They would not allow this man to move into this apartment because of his criminal background. Now, he's a non-violent offender, so you know, he's already done all the legal proceedings to get rid of that and take that off his record, or at least he's satisfied the court, right? So the criminal record is old, but the trying to move an apartment thing seemed to be a hitch or a problem for him to get that. But yet he was able to go get a gun, several guns actually. He said he got the guns with ease, legally. And I'm like, why can a person go get a gun easily, but it's hard for them to get a place of residence? That makes no sense. Dumb laws.
Live.
Live doing what?
I'm doing all right. You got a green screen video shoot today? A couple of them, a few of them with King Richard.
I got walks coming up on, that walks pulling up like, what's up, son? Bro, I don't do flies or bugs. Bro.
You can't be running from the flies and bugs. You
no,
J Queen. You can't be.
That's one thing J Queen is scared of. Bugs, flies, everything that's bug-like. Ooh, we spiders. Terrified.
It become a lost art. Seen the hookers everywhere, but they heavy on the mark. Made some projects still here, but so many now gone. Wasn't much but drop a tear. Was the place we call home. You can act like you don't care, but no matter where you wrong, man, you Memphis to the death, even if your accent gone. Homies drink a fit the hen and they reminisce about the good old days, living here in Memphis 10. High school sports games and the Memphis hits. Man, I gotta send some love to my Memphians. Get together and they put some Getty in the switch. Girls talk about the guys, fellas talk about the chicks. R.I.P. to who we missing, who is in the pen. Man, I gotta send some love to my Memphians. Hey yo, can't forget the jamborees. Never seen so many parents. Heard that major rest for free. Create a civilization for entire nations. If you black, you native, there ain't no debate. Congratulations if you ever made it from the people hating and became amazing. Dedication, deeper activation, highest levitation, got them captivated. P and God, G-O-R and K-R. Holiest Trinity, biggest explosion, reach any vicinity. Flow like the ocean, tsunami, my mini-me. Baby, you joking like kidding me. Double down what I have spoken, not finicky. She on my nerves, do a lobotomy, employing logic. My major psychology, statute of limitations don't apply. Forever the greatest, even see my blind. Whoever the latest, blue within a dime. Or clever, thankful for everything, so I'm saying that. Living a dream, living through these raps. Oh yes, I am versatile. Keep about 1,000,000 styles, and the beat like Funky Town. So I'm doping from the south, like the ones that do allow me to show how I get down. And those that been down a while, keep a dimple in my smile. Knocking out these sessions, vocal boots are on the stretcher. Flocking to my learning lessons like a student catcher. Knocking on the bay on Fraser, bound the flow is wet. Then the hottest fire department, and I won't let up. Live with this music, the realest to do it. I hope you influence the grow and pursue it. Whenever you do it, just don't be so clueless. Be raw and do this, and please keep it moving. These shoes that I'm choosing, so no, I'm not losing. But losing excuses that I cannot do it. More power than Jewish, more coward than losers. Can't screw with the school, so smarter than tutors.